Hey guys, this is Doug with Creative Restorations. I thought I would get to you this evening and do a quick, I wanted to do an unboxing video. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we have my videos, at least the last video that I did was actually shot in 4K, and all of my videos in the future will be in 4K. Trying to do what I can to bump up my equipment, and amongst that is going to be, obviously video equipment and audio equipment. Now, the purpose of this video is the audio equipment. I thought and to tell you about the new camera as well. So the camera I'm shooting on is actually the Sony AX53, and it's a 4K camera. YouTube probably is only going to be showing this in 1080p, but hopefully one of these days they'll go to move everything up to 4K, and this video will eventually be shown in 4K. But anyway, so that's what we're playing on now that's what we're shooting on now is the 4K Sony. But really, what we're after today is to show you about the audio. Now, I'm sure that the audio sucks right about now because we're using the internal microphone from the camera, which is set behind a teleprompter. So anyway, and I'm not reading off a teleprompter, by the way, we decided to bump up our audio by going with the Saramonic Blink 500, the B2 model, which actually has the two lavalier mics and the transmitter. So don't go anywhere. We're going to switch over now from the camera, from the microphone on the camera, and we're going to move over to our lavalier mic. So forgive the camera shake, and we got to turn that one on as well. So the audio that you're getting right now should be, I'm hoping that the audio that you're getting now is coming from the lavalier mic. Now this is the Saramonic Blink 500 B2, and I'm sure that the audio is probably a bit better now than what it was going through the camera. But the last video that I shot, the audio just sounded horrible. I started going online and doing a little bit more research, and figured out, I kind of need that next step up. I heard a lot of hissing and everything like that coming from, and you might actually even hear it now coming from it. But I heard a lot of hissing coming on from the audio, and I just didn't like it, and I don't think you guys liked it either. So went out and bought this. Now what this is the Zoom H6, and did a little bit of testing with it. I wanted to do an unboxing video with this, but I couldn't do it. I just had to, I was like a kid in a candy store. I had to just go ahead and pull it out of the box and try it. Now this one comes with a standard XY mic, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to, in post-production, let's go ahead and turn this on. In post-production, I'm going to sync up the volume that I'm getting from this. And let's go ahead, we're going to hit record. Okay, so now we should be getting the volume straight from this microphone, which should be a vast improvement over the lavalier mic and miles above what was coming in off of the camera. The one thing I don't particularly care for is you have to speak directly into the mic this way, and yet if you notice, the screen is down here, so I can't really see my levels, how loud I'm getting, how soft I am. I'm hoping right now that I've got good levels, but this will give you an idea as to what it sounds like. Now, without cutting away or anything like that, we're going to take the receiver that was plugged into the camera, and again, forgive any camera shake here, and let me grab the receiver. And we're going to grab the receiver, and we're going to plug our receiver into here. All right. And now we set this. Well, we can actually hold it, but ooh, our gain might be just a touch high. So still just a touch high. Okay, there we go. So this is the audio that's coming directly in from the Zoom H6, going in through the lavalier mic, out of our transmitter, into our receiver, and into our recorder. And like I said, I'm going to sync this up post-production. Look, I've been spending quite a bit of money on new equipment and better gear and everything. And look, I'd love to get some feedback and some comments from you guys. You know, am I going in the right direction here? I know I need more content, and I know a lot of you guys come to this channel for leather work and stuff like that. And trust me, I do have more leatherwork projects coming up. You probably aren't thrilled with the pool table videos, but you know, I've been doing pool tables for a long time, and I just got so much knowledge and so much stuff that's up here in my head that, you know, if I don't relay that information to up and coming people, you know, that's information that when I die, it's just going to get lost, and I really don't want that to happen. So that's why I'm doing the pool table videos right now. And, you know, but anyway, back to this. Like I said, I'd love you guys' comments. Let me know. Am I going in the right direction here? Am I getting better quality? Are you liking what you're hearing? Are you liking what you're seeing? So let me know in the comments down below. The more you guys comment and tell me what I'm doing right, the better my videos will be. So help me to help you. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.